Continuing coverage now as we investigate the likely punishment for Hunter Biden's 3 federal gun convictions. He faces a maximum sentence of 25 years, but keep in mind he's a nonviolent offender, and this is a first offense. Joining us now to provide some insight on what to expect is Nashville attorney and legal scholar David Rabin. David, thank you for taking the time. Let's get right into it. What is the likelihood or value of an appeal in a case like this where the case for the prosecution was so strong?
I think it's inevitable that he will file an appeal, if nothing else, to keep himself out of jail as long as possible.
Now, given what we know and the previous, record having none, do you think Hunter Biden will actually get prison time in this case?
I do. The federal sentencing guidelines are much, much different than under state criminal code. Even for an offense like this, the state code allows for probation or parole possibly. But federal statutes require 10 years minimum. The judge would have to depart enormously to put him on some sort of probation. He may depart slightly, but I'm looking for a sentence somewhere in the 4 to 5 year range, something like that, because it's a federal gun charge, and they take those things really seriously.
Now, that said, politics are not supposed to play any role in the judiciary, but this is the real world. Do you think the judge will feel pressure one way or another? And is it possible the judge could even go harder on Hunter Biden in the sentence because of who he is?
Remember, this is the judge that rejected a plea agreement that was some sort of sweetheart deal that he was supposed to get, and he rejected it and forced him into a trial. I don't think he's going to go any harder on him or any softer than he normally would. Probably follow the federal sentencing guidelines, and I'm convinced he'll probably do some time in jail, conceivably 2 or 3 years and maybe more. But this is a very serious offense on this. It's an interesting situation because a lot of the people are very concerned about why he was even prosecuted at all, not because of the politics, but because of the Second Amendment issues. Remember, he was alleged to have violated the law because he was intoxicated or taking pills when he applied for a weapon. A lot of people think that that is unconstitutional, violates the Second Amendment to have that kind of restriction on folks. He wasn't convicted of a felony when he applied. There's a lot of issues going on there. I see an appeal on Second Amendment grounds as well.
Nashville attorney David Rabin, thank you so much for joining us.
You're very welcome, sir. Bye-bye.